Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use formatting tags in HTML. These tags are essential for making your web content clear and engaging. They allow you to visually emphasize text, making it bold, italic, or underlined. More importantly, they add semantic meaning, helping browsers and assistive technologies understand the structure and importance of your information. Mastering these tags is a fundamental step in creating well-structured and accessible web pages. Let's explore some of the most frequently used formatting tags. The B tag makes text bold, while I renders it in italics. For emphasis, strong makes text bold and indicates importance, whereas M italicizes text to show emphasis. Although U underlines text, it is generally better to use CSS for visual underlining to maintain separation of concerns. Beyond basic styling, HTML offers semantic tags that add meaning to your content. Use blockquote for longer, block-level quotations, and Q for shorter inline quotes. The cite tag is perfect for marking the title of a creative work. For displaying programming code, the code tag ensures it appears in a monospaced font. Finally, mark highlights text, drawing the reader's eye to important sections. To round out our discussion, let's look at a couple more specialized tags. Sub creates subscript text, useful for chemical formulas like H2O. Sup generates superscript text, perfect for footnotes or mathematical exponents. Remember, for purely visual styling, CSS is the preferred method. Always prioritize semantic HTML tags to improve accessibility and search engine optimization, ensuring your content is well understood by everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.